Before you buy the new M135, watch this video. This M Lite has all the right ingredients. 2 liters, turbocharged, 233 kilowatts, 400 Newton meters of torque, and a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Now the M135 is a fast car, but you can hear no sound that comes out the exhaust, and that's because of emissions, until you press this button and floor it. Then you can hear all the pops and bangs, but it's not from the exhaust, it's from the speaker. Because this is an all-wheel drive car and an M Sport model, you get big brakes in the front and also in the rear. The new 1 Series is more luxurious than ever. Check out this new minimalist interior. But regardless of what you think or what I think, this is still a very good car, even though it's the base 1 Series. It's got looks, power and technology, but for 982,000 Rand, is this your next car? Let me know in the comments.